When it comes to the WordPress world, everyone has their favorite tool to do backups. And this time we're gonna be testing a new and elegant tool which is called WPVivid. I'm gonna be describing everything that the tool has it, and I'm gonna be telling you how will it work, how can you integrate with your local and remote storage, and also I'm gonna be making some comparisons between the current tools in the market. Right, so see you in the video. Alright, so in order to duplicate this site with WPVivid, what do we have to do? It's go to the back end of WordPress plugins, add a new plugin, and obviously we're gonna add WPVivid. We're gonna make sure that we install it, and it's installing for now. So after installing, we're gonna make sure that it activates. While it activates, it's gonna pop it up over here. So let's activate. All right, and then as you can see, it just pop it up over here. Go to just double click on the top of it, and here are the options: backup and restore, schedule, auto migration, remote storage, settings, debug, logs, keys. Let's make a backup. What do you want to back up? You want to back up the database and files. You want to back up just the WordPress files, exclude database, or only the database. So what do I want to back up now? I want to back up everything, and I want to save it into my local computer. All right, so what you gotta do, it's backup now, and it will take a few minutes, no, not a few minutes, a few seconds to make the backup. As you can see, here's a percentage of the backup that it's been done. But while this thing it's almost done, let's talk which tool is this going to be replacing. WPVivid, it's pretty much going to be replacing this one, all-in-one migration, and all of these extensions. Why? Because these extensions are expensive. $100 for Google Drive extension, where you're pretty much getting over here for free. Right here where it says remote storage, you have the option to make the backups, all of these ones. So you know what, let's create a backup for this one. Let me add this one. Okay, copy and paste over here. Beautiful. So this is how we're gonna be authenticate with the Google Drive. Let's do in my account, allow, and that's all that you have to do it. And now as you can see, it's highlighted over here, the Google Drive. So if you want to do a backup for the Google Drive, all you got to do is send the backup to remote storage, backup now, and let's open it up, Google Drive, where you can actually see where the tool can be backed up. It's right here, teamisland.server. I have previously done it. It will take a few minutes. That's what I'm not going to be doing it, but it will save you in your drive. All right, so like I said, WPVivid is going to be replacing all-in-one migration WP. So this one, it's out of my view, and here are the prices for WPVivid. And I had to tell you something too, that they're having a beta testing now, so take advantage of it, because after the beta testing, these are the prices that they're going to be having, annual and lifetime. I'll go for lifetime, honestly. And the $239 license, it's not that expensive, because if you compare it to all-in-one migration with 2.5 extensions that they have, it would probably cover the ultimate license from WPVivid. In the bottom, there's a chart with all the comparison between the free version and the pro version. Right? So now let's go back to my site. Now that I have done the backup, I'm gonna download it, and just after I download it, you're pretty much done in this section. All right, so what you have to do now is go to the new site, which is Phoenix 2. Do the same thing, add a new plugin, and then search for WPVivid. All right, install and activate it. Perfect. And now what you have to do is upload, and the file that you just downloaded, you have to drag and drop over here, click it on upload, and let me show you how the site looks without the backup. All right, so here is it. Let's go back. It's uploading up to 29%, 30. It's pretty quick, to be honest with you. The transition from the uploads, so it wouldn't take that long. It's so far, it's almost done. Let's go back, and don't forget to take a look to the comparison that they have it between the free and the pro version, because there is a lot that you can actually see it. And like I said, especially without being paying for the extra add-ons, right? The upload has been complete, but the site is not gonna look different unless that you restore again, and this is gonna overwrite the files that you currently have from the demo. It's gonna upload all the files that you have it in this one, Team IL1. All right, when this thing is done, it's gonna kick you out of the site, and it's gonna ask you for the credentials from this site, because it copied everything from it. Here you go, it's all done. All right, let's refresh. Like I said, it will kick me out. Let's enter again, and let's refresh this one, and here we go. Phoenix 2 looks just like Team IL1. This is how simple and easy it is to pretty much create a backup with WPVivid. All right, don't forget to add it yourself into the beta testing, which is a great option. You can just click it here and join as a beta testing, and just follow up what it says here. Don't forget to subscribe, and also let me invite you to a community. We're actually creating a private community where we're gonna be having what's called tutorials, course, products, landing pages, templates. We're actually deciding to see how we're gonna be approaching to the community, but so far this is a great option to create backups. So don't let it go by. Sign up, and like I said before, don't forget to subscribe, and have a good day. Bye bye.